be good. If you wanna be a robber, be Robin Hood. If you wanna tell
Howling good drama next on 4 with Miranda Richardson as the wicked queen in the gothic tale of Snow White.
You can huff and pop if you think you're tough. You can blow a fuse. And here's the good news, you can act like a fool when you go to school. But it's a better bet to be the teacher's pet. If you wanna be bad, don't wanna be sad. If you wanna be bad, be good.
All right.
Save up to 60% in the court sale, plus an extra £300 on this Florentino sofa. Massive extra savings from 9 AM Boxing Day.
The dentists at Oral-B are on a mission to protect your teeth and gums with the Braun Oral-B 3D XL. It has a unique pulsating 3D motion and cleans so deep it helps prevent and even reverse gum disease. No wonder the 3D XL leaves your mouth feeling dentist clean. Braun Oral-B. Brush like a dentist.
New shoes.
Golf club.
Shoes.
By calling Budget free, Sue and Dave saved £85 on their car insurance and without having to fill in a single form. Golf club.
Shoes.
Club. And Budget's quality policy promise means they didn't have to compromise on cover. So how did they spend their savings?
Shoes.
Okay, shoes it is. Smart people. Budget! Car insurance. To see if you can save without compromising on cover, call Budget free on 0800 247 247.
Is your hairdryer killing your hair? Constant drying can leave it dull and lifeless. Introducing the new hair hydration dryer from Vidal Sassoon. Its ionizing system is designed to break down the water droplets to help your hair absorb moisture, leaving it smooth, shiny, less frizzy, and very much alive. The new hair hydration system from Vidal Sassoon. Now you can dry your hair without drying your hair.
Subtle, delicate, refined. Les Eaux Parfumées. New fragrances created for your home by Airwick. Airwick. Fragrances that change your world.
Save up to 60% in the court sale, plus an extra 25% off selected carpets. Massive extra savings from 9 AM Boxing Day.
Far from the known world, hidden for thousands of years, is a land of harmony, magic, and light. A land where mankind doesn't rule alone. No one knew it was among us until now. A freak accident strands two brothers on an uncharted island.
What is this place?
Dinotopia. Oh, you'll be the talk of the place. It's not every day we get new arrivals.
This is the bus?
He's a Brachiosaurus.
From the makers of Gulliver's Travels and Merlin comes a new fantasy adventure.
Exactly what kind of dinosaurs are we likely to encounter?
There's Hakalana.
But even paradise has its troubles.
The carnivores are straying from their traditional territory. 5 of our brachiosaur herd were killed last month.
We have to get off this island.
That's impossible. Over the centuries, a few have tried, but they've all perished on the Razor Reef.
Don't worry. I haven't seen any carnivores lately.
Dinotopia, Sunday at 6 on 4.
Kenneth Branagh is Shackleton, an epic adventure to the South Pole tonight at 5 to 6. First up, Miranda Richardson is the cold-hearted stepmother in a tale from the Brothers Grimm, Snow White.